Good morning, everybody. My name is Shay. I am a full-time reseller, and today we are going to be pulling what sold on eBay and Poshmark. We have quite a few sales just for shipping yesterday, so I'm pretty excited about that. There were a couple stragglers that I didn't have the right boxes for yesterday, so now I do have the right boxes so I can ship those too. But anyway, let's get started. The first thing to sell is this new with tags Harley Davidson plaid shirt. Now, it doesn't have any like really cool graphics or anything on it, so it took a while to sell. It was new with tags in a size extra large, and it sold for $30 plus I think $10 shipping, so the buyer is $40 all in, and I think I paid $15 for this at a garage sale. The next thing to sell were these Y2K studded mules from First Kiss. It's just like a old brand. I don't know. These are definitely from the Y2K era, and they sold for $30 plus shipping, and I believe I paid $3, $5, or $6 for these. Anyway, it was still worth it, and the buyer is $40 all in. I sold this vintage Y2K candy skirt for $10 plus shipping, so the buyer I think is like $16 or $17 all in. I did pay, I think, $3 for this at a small town thrift store, and happy to see her go because Y2K, even though it's hot right now, it will not be hot forever, so I take what I can get. I listed these UGG slippers. They appear to be new without tags, but I did list them as pre-owned. I listed them for $65 plus shipping, and the buyer paid full price, so the buyer is $75 all in on these beauties, and I did get them for free. I got this Love to Dream swaddle at a garage sale for 25 cents, and it sold for $13 plus $5 shipping, so the buyer is $18 all in on this. I sold this Easel tank top. It's just like a classic tank top with ruffles on the bottom. It's a boutique piece, and sometimes Easel does great, sometimes it doesn't do so great. I've held on to this forever, and it finally sold for $6 plus shipping, so the buyer is $10 all in. I got these True Religion Y2K style reading glasses in a glasses lot from shopgoodwill.com. I don't really shop there anymore. The shipping kind of gets expensive if it's not a local pickup item, and I just find way too much stuff just out and about that I don't really need to go to shopgoodwill.com anymore. But this was in my death pile for a long time. They've been listed a couple months now, and not a lot of them have sold, but this sold for $15 plus shipping. These Reebok steel toe or composite toe work shoes have been sitting for probably 2 years now, and they finally sold on Poshmark for $29. I am so happy to get these out of here. Okay, you guys, let's just take a moment. This is my senior year high school prom dress that I finally sold. It's Giovanni. It is expensive. I think my mom paid half and I paid half, so it was like a $750 dress. I sold it for $150 because I am sick and tired of storing it and having it be in my site. Prom dresses are literally the worst investment you can make, and best believe my daughter will be thrifting hers or will be going to a prom closet or something for her dress because I am not spending this much. I sold these J. Crew factory plaid pull-on pants, I believe, on Poshmark for $20, and I think I paid around $3. I knew these would sell right around this time. I love me some plaid. Slowly but surely getting this old inventory out. So this bra, it's like a Victoria's Secret bra in a size 34C, I believe, and it sold for $5 on Poshmark. Next thing to sell is this Star Wars Rags to Ratches piece. It is new with tags. I got it for around $10, and it sold for $30 on Poshmark. This Land's End like floral lightweight coat in a size 1XL sold on Poshmark for $32, I believe, and I got this from a ThredUp 200-pound bulk box, so I'm probably $1 in, if that. And the last thing to sell is this velvet velour Kate Quinn piece that my daughter did wear. It's a size 18 to 24 month. I paid $10 for it, and I sold it for $9 on Poshmark, so losing a little bit of money, but we did enjoy it before. Hello everybody, it is Friday. I need to reorganize my little house yet again because I did get another load of free stuff this week, so not complaining. It's just a constant battle keeping my main work area clear, but we are here to pull some shipping. I haven't shipped since Tuesday, so we have quite a bit to ship, which is awesome. My Poshmark has been like popping off lately, so I've got like 13 packages on eBay and I think around 10 on Poshmark. So for me, that's pretty good. Poshmark never really pops off for me. So the days that it does, I am very, very happy. So let's get started. I have this J. Crew 365 size 0 wrap dress. This actually sold on an offer for $30 plus shipping, so I was very happy with that. I think I got this out of a ThredUp 200-pound bulk box, and I just recently listed it. It had been sitting in my death pile. So yeah, that is a really good sale for J. Crew for me. This is a very vibrant Free People long sleeve top with these really cool sleeves. This sold on an offer for $20 plus shipping, and I did get it for free. This DKNY like plasticky looking puffy backpack. These are very on trend right now. DKNY does not do great as a brand, but I bought it based on style. I paid $3 for this at a, what was it? It was a fundraiser garage sale, but anyway, it sold for $15 plus shipping in a matter of days. So I'm happy with that. I'm not looking for top dollar for stuff like this, but I only paid $3, so it's fine with me. This Roan jacket that I just hauled in like a video or two ago sold in a matter of hours for $33 plus shipping. I did price it at $45 and just took the first offer because I did pay $50 for the whole lot of items. So that is out. These Nua Tags silver jeans actually sold for my full asking price of $26 plus shipping. Normally, I could not move these to save my life, but I decided since they were Nua Tags to just price them a little bit higher than I normally would, and they sold. So buyer is like $33, $4 all in, and very happy with that. This Brahmin Nua Tags turn lock wallet sold for $90 plus shipping. This is from my auction lot. They are starting to move a lot faster now that I have dropped prices, but really happy with that price. This cheese straightener is from the storage unit purchase, one of my small finds. It sold for $15 with free shipping. Chi is so expensive, but it doesn't do super well on the resale market, but it does sell fast. I had some more Warner's bras sell for $20 plus shipping. This is a lot of 3, size 34C, I believe. So maybe it's a repeat buyer. I didn't really even look. I just kind of looked at the price so I could film this, but pretty happy with that. I think this was at a fill-a-bag sale for like $5, so I don't think I really have anything into these anymore. I wasn't sure if these were going to sell very fast, but they were only listed a couple of days, and I paid $3 for them. They sold for $15 plus shipping. I am happy with the fast flip. I had this American flag garden flag go for $9 and some change. I did recently price drop this with my price dropping strategy, which is anything that's been listed for 90 days gets price dropped 10% each month until it sells, basically. So this was like $9 and some change. All of these are paid for at this point, so I'm happy to move it. This is a vintage Y2K pinafore dress. It's only Faded Glory, which is awesome because I got a great price for it. Probably over what it retailed for. It sold for $30 plus shipping. So the buyer was like almost $40 all in on this, and I'm pretty sure it's missing a button too, which I did note. So I was very surprised with this sale. This is a Bivolgari. I know I'm saying that wrong, but it is a cologne gift set I got out of my storage unit purchase. And I don't know how much I have in this. I'm already, actually, I don't have anything into this because I'm already into the profit on that. But it sold for $50 plus shipping, which is amazing. Now on to the Poshmark sales. We did sell quite a bit on here too. So the first thing are these little bogs. They are like a baby size 5, I believe, and they sold for $18 on Poshmark. I sold these size 6 Democracy skinny jeans for $15, and I believe I got these at the bins. I sold these 7 for All Mankind Dojo jeans for $50 on Poshmark, which is such a great price. I know sales have kind of slowed down on dojos, and I've had these listed for a while. I was on a kick like for a couple of weeks where I was listing things without measurements, and this was one of the items. Once I updated it with measurements, it sold pretty quickly within a couple of months. So that is my testimonial to put measurements in your stuff, especially women's clothing. These Tommy Bahama really cute wedge flip-flops. Oh my gosh, I'm losing my words again. It sold for full price on Poshmark for $35, and I did receive these for free. Another one of these Fry Melissa boots sold for $45, and I believe I picked these up for only $3 at a small town thrift store. So although I will not pay up for these, I will still pick them up to make a decent profit. This is another Grandin Road, and again, it misprinted and it said Grandson Road in my listing, but somebody still found it. It is one of those wool hook loop pillows, and it sold for $15. I got these John Deere cowboy boots at a garage sale over the summer, and I did just recently list them out of my death pile, and they sold for $25 on Poshmark super fast, so very excited. Here's another item that came out of that garage sale where I bought a bunch of stuff for my own kids, traded a bunch of stuff into Once Upon a Child, and this sold for $18. These are these little cute Carhartt overalls for little tiny baby girls. It is a size 6 month, and it sold for $18. You like my Christmas palm tree? It's so cute. I cannot wait until I can get an extension cord so I can light it up while I work. It's gonna put me in the festive mood, and I hope there's no Christmas haters in my comments. I love Christmas, so I definitely welcome this. I did receive that for free this week, and I cannot sell it. I love it so much. So if you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!